from?
I think there.
It's not doing anything. That means we need kerosene, so someone's gotta make a trail, because I can't right now.
Good boy, Homer.
See you in another life. Look at him now.
I'm melting.
I'm melting.
This bonfire stuff fails. Can we just throw pennies at it?
Yes.
Oh, it turns it blue.
Yeah. It's just copper.
Just what?
It's just copper.
There goes your head.
Hey, this stuff's poisonous.
That was kind of lame. Hold this for a second.
I'm still recording? Yeah. Green fire? Oh, things you guys do. Homer's melting. What's that? Oh my god.
Is that a firework?
Yep.
Hey, where's my...
Jesus Christ.
Where's the kerosene? Goes... Thank you.
Seriously? Look at that. The arm of Homer.
Wow.
I'm melting. Melting, yeah.
And I'm poisoning you.
Oops. That's awesome. Oh. Can't let any go to waste.
Aw. Can you imagine how great the snake would have been?
You know how big that thing is? It's from here to like there.
I know, exactly.
Oh yeah, you were there. I have no
I was
memory.
there too.